Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how I transfer my designs from my head to my design sheet. So before I start, I just want to let you know that what I've done previously is I've printed a number of ladylike drawings on a paper. Just as you can see there, I didn't have to draw the lady's figure, so it's already printed on the paper. So I have like 50 or 100 pictures of those photocopies of those ladies in on a paper. So basically when I want to draw my designs, I just pick one of the papers and draw. Like, it saves me a lot of time. So you can do that as well if you know it's something you're interested in. So what I start to do first of all is to start my drawing with a pencil. And because I have the figure of a lady already on the paper, it kind of makes it a lot easier for me to navigate around how I want the designs to come out. So over here I'm trying to get a bootleg kind of trousers and a crop top. I also want a puffy sleeve, so I've drawn the puffy sleeve there. That's the first thing I did when I started the sketch. So it's just drawing, and more drawing. I hope you enjoy this. At first I was thinking of doing a jumpsuit, but I later changed my mind, and that's why I have a crop top there. So I'm just putting the lines there to show that one is a trousers, that's the bootleg trousers, and the other one is a crop top. Yeah. So I'm just outlining the shape of the lady, the model on the paper, just to make it, you know, more defined. Right now I want to make a second style. So basically what I usually do is I make two different styles, and I get my followers on Instagram to choose which style for me to do first. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm making the second style, and it's gonna be a dress. So yeah, it's gonna be a puffy sleeve as well. 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람. 내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 난 안 give up. 나도 내게 미워. Yeah. 말해도 내게 미워. Yeah. So yes guys, that's both designs using the pencil first. So now what I want to do is I'm going to color it in. So because I'm using the African wax prints, which we also call Ankara, or what else do we call it? Yeah, we call it Ankara. So because I'm using that, it's kind of like a colorful print, and that's why I want to see what it would be like when I put the colors together. That's why I paint. I use the pencil crayon to put in the colors on the sketch, so that I can see what the style is going to be like. I'm just gonna use my black pen as well, just to, mark out the design.
숨을 쉬고 있는 모습 보면 절대 걱정하지 않아 너의 건강 이건 사랑 같은 시시한 게 아니야 우리 생긴다면 같이 하자 다야 나의 주변이 내게 넌 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너의 주변이 내게 난 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람 내가 어때 같은 그런 질문하면 난 항상 너에게 I don't give a I don't give a I don't give a Won't you call me when you get this Yeah 못나도 내게 미워 Yeah 뭘 해도 내게 미워 Yeah 너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람 내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 난 I don't give a 나도 내게 미워 yeah. 뭘 해도 내게 미워 yeah.
So the print in question is like a white base fabric with red box designs and yellow inner color. That's why I'm using the colors that I'm using. I'll still show you the fabric at the end of this video, but yeah, by the time you see the fabric, you'll understand why I've made the design this way. Coloring, 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 and more coloring. Yeah, it's not quite a long process, but I mean, you do have to put the time into it if you want the best out of it. You get? So what I'm gonna do here is just use my black pen and outline the outer lines just to give it more definition. Guys, all that is done now. So this is the first style. I love this, and this is the second style. I also love this, and it's currently on my Instagram for votes to see which style is better, and let the best man win. Thanks for watching.